Hey guys, what's going on? Today, yet another goofy video, but another goofy gadget that I've picked up that actually helps my life, believe it or not. In some of my videos, whether it be my collapsible folding tables or my party chairs, the things that I do to live on the road, this is another thing. A collapsible laundry basket. As goofy as it is, I figured I'd show you guys it so you guys could see it. These have been around for a while. I picked this one up at Bed Bath & Beyond. They're probably 10, 15 bucks by there. Go in there with that 20% coupon, get that deal going on. But other than that, I just wanted to show you guys how it actually works. I always just throw this one in the back of the car rather than lugging around a typical laundry bin. I was actually gonna see if I had one for you guys, which it's in the other room. But yeah, this one's awesome. It throws it in a trunk in the back seat, anywhere where you want it to go. Super easy to obviously just push down here, lift it up. Look at that. Pops up and down, super light, 3 handles. It's made of nice, kind of like a silicone. Really sturdy. I mean, we've got another one that we've been using for 2-3 years, and you'd think that maybe these creases would eventually maybe give out, but they really haven't. And one thing I just kind of smack it back down on the ground, and that's how quick it comes in and out. Another stupid video, but like I said, my whole point is to show you guys products that I really like and enjoy. Hopefully that it might show you guys something, and of course to help a little bit of that content that it's kind of sometimes it's a little challenging to make sure you can always think of 365 videos, and that's just for the first year. So hopefully if we can keep rocking and rolling, and we find out that this YouTube process isn't so bad at the end of the year, we'll see how it goes. But anyway, as always, feel free to comment, like, subscribe. Can't wait to see what you guys have to say, whether it be on this video or another one. I don't anticipate this one to be a viral video by any means, but I hope you guys like it. Just another thing that helps my life out as I go, especially when you're traveling. You can either fill it up with snacks or clothes and have it undone all the time like a normal one, or if you're just living in a hotel and you just want to open up some free space. Goofy video, but hope you guys like it, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.